Hello everyone, welcome into the ITLS Academy. Hope you all enjoy our 5 days webinar program. Today I am going to discuss our last webinar topic with you is career challenges after COVID-19 outbreak. Before going to start our discussion, I want to tell you as a small professional background of mine. My professional qualification is MSc Biochemistry and PhD in Biotechnology. I have done many certification courses related to clinical psychology, digital content management, clinical data management, industrial management. I have more than 6 years of experience related to tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. I was associated with Indian Veterinary Research Institute, IZ Nagar and IIT Kanpur during my tissue engineering and regenerative medicine learning experiences. I have already prepared different type of natural and synthetic scaffolds for wound healing, hernia, tumor and trauma recovery. During this phase, I have learned a lot of techniques for developing 2D and 3D culture scaffolds with the combination of stem, fibroblasts as well as chondrocyte cells, and then we have to check it after implantation in animal model too. I have more than 3 year research experience related to respiratory disease and hypoxia. During this learning time, I was associated with Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, University of Delhi. In this time, I have worked on many drugs which was effective for different type of respiratory disease. I have more than 2 years expertise as an educational consultant, currently associate with world-based supplement-based company Nutrilite as a senior research consultant in Delhi. I was also associated with as a freelancer scientific content writer with so many reputed organizations and online portal. I am associated with ITLS Academy from last 3 years as a freelance senior research consultant. I have achieved 33 international research papers till date. Concept behind telling you my professional profile was that being engaged with reputed institute, I was also always connected with freelancing work. So now we will start our session with discussing on benefit of working as a freelancer. Freelance work offered as an advantage and can represent an attractive alternative to a traditional job. If you are considering a freelance career, you should explore the benefit and pitfall of freelancing. Below are advantages of freelancing legal work. First one is flexibility of hours. Working from home or from a remote workplace as a freelancer allow you to dictate your own hours and work at time most convenient to you. Freelancers with traditional employment or part-time job can perform their freelance work around their regular work hours. You can work when you are most productive or load up on work. Second benefit is workload control. As a freelancer workers, you can control your workload while client demand can at time sorry dictate your schedule. You can turn away work during busy time or accept work more during lean time. Next benefit is quality of work. In some cases, work as a freelancer may be more fulfilling than the work assigned by a law firm or corporation. Next benefit is independency. Freelance job offer independence. Not only are you free of the cubicle and 9 to 5 work life, you also have the ability to work alone and for the most part where you are most comfortable doing so. Next benefit is new skills. As a freelancer, you will learn new skills out of necessity that you might not gain as a traditional legal employee. These skills may include marketing, sales, office management, and client development, as well as knowledge in a broad range of practices area. Next benefit is new opportunity. Freelancing can open door to new client, new areas of law, new skills, and new friends. Freelancing can lead to speaking engagement, book deals, business collaboration, and other opportunities. Now we are going to discuss about the next benefit is new connections. Freelancing will bring you into contact with new people, including new clients, mentors, business associates, and others. Next benefit is no commute. This is the best and most important benefits. Working from home, the daily commute to end from the office, saving your hours in traveling time and the expense of parking, fuels, and car maintenance. Even if you work from a remote office away from home, you can choose a location that is convenient and close to home. Next benefit is freedom. As a freelancer, you can choose the client you wish to work with, the project on which you work, particularly if you have an excess of work. Now, next is income control. Your income is the direct result of your own efforts rather than being set by the law firm or company. In most cases, the harder you work, the greater the reward. Your paycheck or bonus will not be kept, reduced, or eliminated by your employer, although it can vary month to month depending on your efforts and business. Next one is work-life balance. Because they work from home, freelancers often have a better work-life balance. You can spend more time with your family to relax and do the things you love. Now we will be discuss on learn new career skills during the coronavirus lockdown. Due to the serve Due to the severe spread of coronavirus, people from all over the world have been forced to stay inside their home. With so much uncertainty about when you will be able to probably leave the house again, you will find yourself thinking, what am I going to do with myself? Whether you are watching the news on repeat, worrying about what's to come, or even scrolling through social media only to find coronavirus related memes and posts, there are lots of other things you can do to turn your attention elsewhere and to make yourself more employable by doing some valuable things during the coronavirus lockdown. So, these things could be joint webinars. Webinars are the great resources for learning a new career skills from the comfort of your home and pretty much anywhere in the world. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are ready to learn. So, next one is start and online courses. With COVID-19 keeping you at home, you now have the time to start learning new career skills by joining of some courses online. With so much uncertainty in the world, perhaps now is the time to start learning a completely new skill that could benefit your career and of course give you CV that boost. So now it's time to kick yourself and get started. Now we are going to discuss on why you need to learn new career skills. This period of lockdown is by far the best time to update your resume and learn new career skills that will benefit your career. These things that you learn at home now will help you become better at what you do and to come out the quarantine as a new and improved professional. When we are finally allowed to go back to our normal life, you will be able to show off these new skills for a promotions or rise of even a career changes. If you are looking for a job right now, there are lots of remote jobs worth applying for too. So do your best to be proactive and make the most out of this thoughts time for your career and your personal development. Now, job skill. What are studying? We are studying molecules, biology, microbiology, immunology, biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, food technology, virology, cancer biology, pharmacy, veterinary science, recombinant DNA technology, and enzymology. These are the part of life sciences we are studying in these days. So, some myths are there to bring future after doing life science courses. Research is only scope not in India, could not get reputed job like scientist, research consultant, or salary is very less. Real fact is very good scope after courses, scope in industry, scope in reputed research organization, good scope in India, product development, industrial job, salary could be 20 to 90K or more than. So now we are going to discuss on job skill and courses could be in demand after COVID-19 pandemic. The year 2020 started with one of the most challenging health emergencies the world has even faced in the past 100 years. In the past 3 months, the novel coronavirus COVID-19 has spread like wildfire and brought life as we know it to us still. This crisis has called to the attention of the whole world for the need for research activities and the importance of funding in biological research program. As a direct result of this, there will be a steady increase in biotechnology job opening worldwide. We have compiled a list of skills you need to have to meet the job requirements that are going to come up. First one is biotechnology engineering. With the spread of coronavirus, the demand for masks, ventilators, disposable gloves, goggles, face shelters, and other medical pieces of equipment have gone up. The aim of the field is to develop system, equipment, and devices in order to solve clinical problems, both diagnostic and therapeutics. According to the World Health Organization, biomedical engineering play a essential role in effective healthcare delivery. Biomedical engineering play an essential role in effective healthcare delivery and is employed by multidisciplinary clinical and research teams in developing strategy for the diagnosis and management of many medical conditions. Further, biomedical engineering has demonstrated a remarkable capacity to remap health system in resourcing limited environments through improvement in diagnosis and treatment. So it could be a great time to purchase bachelor's or master's biomedical engineering degrees. Next one is diagnostic. As we have read in various reports, the testing of suspects need to be faster and the new numbers of the testing need to be increased as well as in order to identify transmission dynamic and at risk population. Diagnosis of coronavirus require developing easy to apply diagnostic laboratories, testing facilities, and trained persons. Diagnostic testing serving are experiencing an up redetected surge in demand across the whole world amid the outbreak of COVID-19. Currently, there are not enough COVID-19 tests to meet the demand, so creative new tests urgently need, and companies that deal in diagnostics, microbiology, biotechnology, and screening will see an increased need for serving in the month ahead. So diagnostic is identify one of the key sectors that are seeing growth opportunity during the coronavirus pandemic. Next one is more important field is virology. This is the hottest topic at the moment, and by definition, it is the branch of science which deal with virus and viral disease. Judging by the current scenario, who knows how many more viruses we may discover in the coming years. This is a field that is going to have a lot of takers since we never know what is lurking in the shadows when it comes to disease that can bring the whole world down to its knees. Virologists work closely with virus on their various aspects, right from how they function to whether they infect only humans, animals, plants, etc. How to diagnose one and how to treat an infection caused by the virus. The response of virus has to be combination of drugs used to treat it. They also work closely with hospitals, authorized and government to curb an outbreak and what are the protocols to be followed while combating an outbreak. Now we are discussing on epidemiology and public health. Epidemiology is the study of the distribution and determination of the disease in population. It is the key quantitative discipline that underpins a public health, which is often defined as the organized efforts of society to prevent disease to promote health. Public health is the science and art of preventing disease, prolonging life, and promoting human health through organized efforts and informed choice of society, organization, public and private communities, and individuals. The field deal with taking appropriate measures in improving the health condition of the society and communities by educating them about various disease and helping them understanding the preventive measures. Public health promote the measures that need to be taken among communities to live, learn, work and play. Next one is stem cell therapy in regenerative medicine. In the last year, the promising features of mesenchymal stem cells, including their regenerative properties and ability to differentiate into diverse cell lineages, have generated great interest among researchers whose work has on cell-based therapies for various diseases. COVID-19 is a virus that causes respiratory disease and in serious case it can lead to pneumonia. Studies in the mice have demonstrated that the anti-inflammatory efforts of mesenchymal stem cells and their ability to reduce virus-induced lung injury and mortality. The use of mesenchymal stem cells in these studies have helped to effectively reduce the levels of inflammation as well as the number of inflammatory cells that enter the lungs after contracting a disease such as pneumonia, which may be beneficial in COVID-19 case. So the experimental treatment was a part of clinical trial which coordinates say has shown early promise in COVID-19 symptoms. At least 14 such clinical trials using stem cells to treat COVID coronavirus patients were reported in China. Next one is toxicology. Toxicology is the branch of science that entails the study of the adverse effects of chemical substance on various living organisms. Now, in this present scenario, toxicology were the ones who claimed that chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine can fight the novel coronavirus. Thus, more testing need to be done to confirm the same. It seems like a promising start. Finding the cure, vaccine, or medicine is not enough. We need to know what the effects, side effects, and adverse effects the treatment can have on living cells. So, next one is vaccine designing and drug development. It could be defined as a pharmacology. As we are well aware, the first question asked while speaking of coronavirus is there a vaccine yet? Scientists all around the world are racing against time to develop a vaccine because the world is the dire need to one. Vaccine development involves the process of taking a new antigen or immunogen, identifying the research process and developing this substance into a final vaccine that can be evaluated through preclinical and clinical study to determine the safety and efficiency of the resultant vaccine. Judging by how fast a virus is known to mutate, we will always be in need for newer vaccine in the years to come. So do consider taking this direction in your career. There will never be a dearth of viruses that affecting mankind. Similar to vaccine development, drug development also has a process to it. It is start off with the research for a drugs or rediscovery of the existing drug is carried out. Then they undergoes basic safety testing on animals and lab assays. They are then tested on humans to make sure they are effective and safe, after which the last hurdle to cross is getting it appropriate by the relevant authorities. Next one is food technology. Food technology is course which has and always be in popular demand, and post COVID-19 even more so, owing to the fact that not all of us were lucky enough to have the essential stocked at home. So if there are some alternative, it can be great help during crises like these. Food technologies come into the pictures because they can use in innovative ideas to help a nation be self-sufficient. There are no boundaries to what technology can do. So amazing using the benefits of technology to take farming to the next level. As you can see, a food technology has diverse role, and this is a field with a might scope for year to come. So think about it. Why not take up food technology as a career? So next we are going to discuss why you should join ITLS Academy. Because in ITLS Academy you will get so many facilities. First one is provide unique training modules. You will get good study materials by online. You can select your mentors according to your choice. Videos, lectures from reputed faculty members. You will get online certificate with online verification facilities. opportunity to get best performance award during online program. You can give online tests from at home by your laptops and mobile. Now, online courses teach us how to be happy. For many of us in self isolation, it can feel like the coronavirus has put the world on hold as we wait for release from our temporary imprisonment. But increasing number of people are using the time to build their skill set with as with an upsurge in enrollments on online learning platform. Devoting some of our quarantine time to self-educating makes sense. Learning a new skill can give you a sense of control that will help cope with anxiety. You could say that humans are like bicycle. If you are not heading towards something, you fall over. And when we are social distancing, online courses are one of the best way to do that. So, which courses of ITLS you can join for enhance your skill to empower yourself? Here is some courses. Courses name are like this. First one is stem cells and regenerative medicine. Second one is cancer biology. Third one is animal biotechnology. Fourth one is nanobiotechnology. Five one is advanced genetic engineering, industrial pharmacology, industrial microbiology, food microbiology, industrial drug designing, toxicology, hygiene management. These are the our online program. You can join it. Here in this column you can see online certification, course duration as well as course fee also. And if you want to register, yes, these four programs are going to in my under. First one is stem cells and regenerative medicines, cancer biology, animal biotechnology and nanobiotechnology. And other program, if you want to register with ITLS, definitely we have very talented other faculty member. You can join these faculty members. For any query, you can contact freely. If you have any questions or concern about any online courses, please do not hesitate to contact me. Mail ID is giving here and contact number is also giving here. You can contact us freely. So I think we have almost done and almost cover our area. Now I want to say thank you for listening us. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you.